Prynhawn da, gobeithio pawb yn iawn. Dŵr ar ochr dy fi, sgidiau arno, fi'n barod i fynd, gobeithio pawb arall yn barod. Ail sesiwn o'r wythnos, second session this week. Ffit Yn 5 gweithgaredd. Ni'n mynd i gweithio am munud, gyda gorffwys yn y canol. We're going to work for 1 minute with a break in the middle of that minute, 5 exercises, okay? Heddi, ni'n mynd i wneud side plank. Ni'n mynd nôl, okay? Elbow and forearm, okay? Lawr a llawr. Pigo hips ni lan, a cadw nhw lan. You can put your arm in the air, okay? A ni'n mynd i dal fe am 3 deiliad. Ni'n mynd i cael gorffwys, we'll have a break, and then we go and do the other side. Okay? Beth as? Slow soldiers. Tro ma. Soldiers, march. Ond tro ma, ni'n mynd gyferbyn. So my arm and my knee are going up. Hold for 3, 2, 3. Lawr, switch o droso. 1, 2, 3. We want to keep the knee up. Okay, cefn syth. A switch o droso. Going to challenge the hips. Yr un nesa heddi. Lunge, hold. Ni'n gwybod sut ni'n gwneud lunges. Ni'n mynd nôl, lan, nôl. Tro ma, ni'n mynd i wneud lunge. Ni'n mynd nôl, okay? And we're going to hold it. As you can see, pretty straight leg. Coes ar y gwylod yn eitha syth fyd. 30 eiliad. Bit of a burner, okay? A wedyn ni wneud o'r ochr arall. Knee touches, fi'n mynd i galw rhain. Ni'n mynd i slide lawr, okay? Standing straight, you can have your feet together, neu trad ar wahan, okay, feet apart. Ni just mynd i mynd un ochr. Go as far as you can, as comfortable. Nôl lan, a switch o droso. Here's my knee. Ni just mynd i wneud nice and slow, not a race. Okay, so mae mam a dad yn gallu wneud hwn hefyd. Os chi moyn, you can grab a tin of beans for this one, hold the beans. Mynd lawr fyd. A'i benni off heddi sumo squats. So squats, ni'n gwybod sut i'n neud squats, ni'n neud rhain o blaen. Ni'n plygu pengliniau, we're going to bend our knees cefn syth. That's a squat. Tro ma, sumo squat, fel nhw'n gweld, falle chi wedi weld sumos. Nhw'n mynd mas, wide stance, a wedyn maen nhw'n neud squat. Okay, pengliniau, cefn syth. A lan, so ni'n sumo squat hefyd. Cyn wneud hwnna, ni'n mynd i tymlo lan bach. Quick warm-up. Hanner awr i 4 pan mi wedi bod i ysgol a gwaith. Okay, so we should be a little bit warm. Ni'n chargio iPad fan hyn, so bydd ni'n gallu rhoi yr amserlen i amseru popeth arno. Okay, jog ar spot. Gonna jog on the spot. Make sure our feet are coming off the floor. Trad off the llawr. Okay. Dechrau nadlu. We want the heart rate to increase. We can get our heart working a little bit faster. Pump the blood around the body. Da iawn. Okay. Tro ma, ni'n mynd i flico coesau ni mas. We're going to flick out the bottom of our legs. So feet are going to come to the side. And ni'n just mynd i touch on, okay? Os ti ddim yn gallu wneud just wneud yn slo bach. Ond os ti'n gallu, ni'n just mynd i'r ochr. 10 eiliad. Mae'n eitha galed. 3, 2, 1. Good. Siglo fe mas. Tro ma am 10 eiliad. We're going to go inside. So ni'n newid wneud tu fas. Tro ma, ni'n mynd tu fewn. Okay? Am 10 eiliad, so mae'n eitha tough. Pawb yn barod? Go! Os ti ddim yn gallu wneud y fel yna, just wneud yn slow bach yn y canol. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, okay. Bach o nofio nawr. I want you to pick your favourite swimming stroke. Okay, lan I chi beth chi'n neud. Fi'n mynd I symud mewn I front crawl. Cadw'n adlu. My heart rate's picked up. Gobeithio un chi wedi hefyd. O, fi'n mynd I bach o backstroke. O, 10 eiliad arall. 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Da iawn. So yn y warm-up yna, athyn ni twymo lan coesau ni, okay? Ni wedi twymo lan breichau a sgwyddau ni. Fi'n credu, ni'n barod I fynd, okay? Fi'n mynd I cael sip o dŵr. Okay. Oh, yeah. So, side blanks gynta, okay? Passcode. Yes. Okay. Ma fe'n meddwl, okay. So, side plank yr un cynta ar y llawr, hips lan, 30 eiliad. Pawb ar llawr. Hips lan, fi'n mynd I rhoi braich arall reit lan. Keep asking yourself the question, are my hips pointing up? Are they still pointing up? A hefyd, can we keep everything nice and tight? Squeeze the bum, squeeze your stomach, cadw popeth yn really dyn. Keep breathing. Should be a little shake, da iawn. Oh, da iawn chi. Switcheroo. Switcherooski. Feet stacked on top of each other, okay? Oh, shake of a mas. Pryd mae countdown yn dod, bydd ni'n mynd nôl lan. Good, hips lan. Braich fi mynd lan. Keep asking, is everything squeezed? Okay? Squeeze everything, guys. Cadw'n adlu. Keep the hips up. Cadw gofyn, hips, hips, hips. Don't let them drop. Lan. Wave to yourself if you're by a mirror. Cadw nhw lan. Come on, Steph. Da iawn pawb. 1 out of the 5 done. Slow soldiers nesa, okay? Ni'n gwybod sut I wneud soldier walk, okay? Ond ni'n neud yn araf. Hold, so ni'n goffa cael o balance. 1, 2, 3, swap o droso. Keep everything nice and tight. Hips and point o lan, okay? Little bit tight for the hips, so good little workout. Okay. Keep a change. 1, 2, 3, swap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. Oh, I was trying to see if I could see my legs, blending in with the paint again. 1, 2, 3. Try and keep it straight at the top. Okay? So we don't want it down here somewhere. I think gallu weld erbyn y radiator, okay? Ni moyn y reit lan, okay? Nice angles, right angle. Woo! 90 degrees. 90. Sip o dŵr I fi. Oh! Fi'n siarad. 1, 2, 3. Keep tense fel o'n i'n gweud. Get everything. 3. Everything should be nice and strong. Don't let it just flop. 3. Good. March. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Un ar ola. Da iawn pawb. Woo! Lunge hold, okay? Ni wedi siarad am bit I stwff fel hyn o blaen. We can either do things faster to make it harder. We can slow the tempo lawr, okay? Neu dalas rhywbeth. So gyda lunge hold, yn lle mynd really gyflym, ni'n mynd I dala fe, so it's going to work as hard. Tra gan gilydd, Big step nôl. Ni'n mynd I wneud lunge position a dal fe. 90, 90. Mae hwn yn tough, okay? So my knee isn't touching the floor. Cefn syth, a fi'n dal fe. So this leg is shaking, okay? Mae'n shiglo. Mae fe'n anodd. Halfway. Woo! Good. One for the quads, glutes, gweithio'r hamstrings bach. Okay, good for the core muscles. Da iawn. Shiglo fe mas. 15 eiliad, then we'll do the other side. So byddai mynd coes chwith, nôl a mas, lawr, and that's where it'll hold. Fi'n gallu weld, I want to get a nice straight leg. Man a man, aros. Okay, so get in position. A dal fe, okay? My legs shaking yn barod, okay? So nice and tall. Really meddwl am coesau. Keep everything nice and tight. Tense the stomach os ni moyn fyd, bach o core. Ooh, 10 eiliad. Don't try and look behind you like I just did. Falle bydd ti'n cwmpo, you might fall over. Don't let your knee hit the floor. Oh! Very tough. So mae pawb yn gallu gwneud hwnna. Tebyg gyda squats, you can do that with the wall. Okay, mynd erbyn y wal, hold it halfway. Okay, knee touches tro yma. Sefyll neis a dal, and we're just going to reach to our knees. Slow bach. Oh, ni'n mynd I cael drink, sy'n digon amser. Pa'n barod? Okay, slow bach I un ochr, down to your knees, back up, other side. If you want to go a little bit quicker, that's okay. Da iawn. Fel nes I dweud, just like I said, if you want to make it harder, you can hold a weight. Neu tin of beans, bottle o dŵr, that'll do the job. A just gweithio fel na. Ni'n gweithio obliques, so muscles ar ochr. Da iawn. So really gallu teimlo fe. Os ti'n mynd i'r un ochr, hwnna'n solid, okay? Chos ni'n gweithio nhw. Good. Shiglo fe mas. 10 eiliad, sip o dŵr I fi. Okay, nôl mewn. Ochr. Lan. Ochr. I'm going to go a little bit quicker. Da iawn. Keep your head in a nice, natural way. Don't look at the floor. Just fel, let it flop like it would. Good. Caravan. 5 eiliad. 5 seconds. Good. Da iawn pawb. Last one to go. Ni'n mynd I wneud y sumo squats. A wedyn, ewn ni'n wneud a couple of stretches I cwlo lawr. And job is a good one, okay? Os I angen bach o dŵr, cael bach o dŵr. Bydd rhydian gyda chi fori, sorry. Sorry YouTube, bod ni mas o'r llun. Bydd rhydian gyda chi fori, okay? Session arall. Sumo squat. Stance mas. Lan. Don't have to go that far. Okay? Fel chi'n eistedd mewn cader, like you're sitting in a chair, but a wider stance. Coesau. Bach mas mwy. Back nice and straight. Go as far as you can. Os ti'n teimlo you're trying to go too low and you're all over the place, just neud troi bach. Good. Tro yma, ni'n mynd I wneud sumo squat pulses. So, wide stance, okay, we've got 10 seconds, I can explain. Troi bach, fel bounce on nhw, okay? That's what we're doing. Challenge bach I ni. Sumo stance, pulses. Just troi bach. Oh, hwnna'n Nadolig. Good. Pulses bach. Ti'n gallu gwneud hwn gyda lunges, hefyd, lots of things. Just pulses bach. Look, hardly moving 2 inches, falle. Da iawn, cadw fynd, back straight, pen lan. O, ding, 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 cerdded rhwng yn ei lle. Dizzy spell I fi, cerdded nôl ymlaen. Siglo fy mas. And we need a couple of stretches. Ar y muscle groups ni wedi defnyddio, on the muscle groups that we've used, okay, so we don't get stiff, and we get some of the lactic acid out, okay? One last walk, nôl ymlaen. Okay, so ni wedi defnyddio coesau ni. Yn wedig pan o'n i'n neud y lunges, especially when we did those lunge holds, quads, dal at rhywbeth, and we need to hold on to something. If you can do it without, on fine. Heel up, grab with the same side arm, and hold. A dal fe. If you need balance, you can hold on to something. 3, 2, 1, good. Shiglo mas. Next leg. Flicker up at the back. Dal fe. Tri, dau, un. Okay, good. Un nesa, ni'n mynd tria fe. Hip flexors and glutes. Okay, so hip flexor glutes ar dal ma. So we've done a little bit when ni'n teimlo fe pan ni'n coesau. Imagine you're sitting in a chair, un coes lan, dros ben glin, a eistedd lawr. Just tipping back, okay? O'r ochr, right leg up, tuck on top of your knee, ddim, and ni'n mynd I eistedd lawr. Get bach o balance, and you should be stretching at the back. Os ti'n gallu neud it, you can sit further in. Fi'n teimlo fel fan hyn, okay? So ni'n gweithio, just stretch o mas neis yn araf. Good. Ochr arall, chwyth yn mynd droso dde. Oh, diar. This is the bad side, man. Dwi'n gweld hwnna? This is my awful side. Fi'n gaffo edrych mewn. Balance fi'n terrible ochr yma. Oh, really tight. So just un bach neis ar ôl wneud y pulses a'r lunges. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Ni'n mynd I wneud bach o lunge. So ni'n mynd 1 foot out, coes arall nôl, mynd lawr. Your knee can touch the floor. Okay? I'm just going to have a slight lean forward. Okay? I don't want you going super forward. Just un bach. Okay? Should feel it in the quad and at the front. Da iawn. Keep breathing, keep nice and straight out the back. Da iawn. Swap o'r droso so chi'n gallu weld. Switch over, so my right leg's up. Make it a nice 90-degree angle. Okay, just a slight, ever so slight lean. Just so ni'n teimlo fe yn y front. Keep your back straight, facing forward, edrych ymlaen. Okay, a wedyn ni'n mynd I wneud stretch, Steve. Okay, brech y mas, a chi'n mynd rhoi cwtch bach I dy hunan. Squeeze. Breathe out. Mewn, mas. Squeeze it out. Mewn. Trwy troen. Mas, trwy cig. Squeeze. Roll the shoulders backwards. Job done. Diolch pawb. Cofio ma rhyd arno fori. Bydd popeth ar Microsoft Teams, ar Facebook, tudalen Facebook ni, a YouTube channel Ceredigion Active. Diolch yn fawr. Gwelwch yn fuan. Ta-da.